Sa mga mahal naming panauhin, ang eroplano ay kasalukuyang i-ready.
What up, Zoom Tribe? It's time to stamp that passport one more again. And guess where I'm on my way to? The Philippines. Can y'all dig that? You guys, I'm here. First hit is the Bisaya. Grabe siya. You grabe siya. All right, you guys, if you are in the Manila airport and you're looking for a cab and you see this woman, run the other way. This woman got me. But we'll talk about that later. Hotel, this place is really nice. You know it's nice when you got a baby grand piano up in this joint. It's Japanese flavor, you dig? So they got me in the pimp suite room. We call it the pimp suite. Can you say pimp suite? Yeah, it is. Hey, oh, just like in the picture. Corner room. See what the view looks like. Oh, they got buttons. Oh, it's James Bond. This is for the James Bond. This is for the James Bond package right here. You see it? Is that the Peninsula right there?
That is the Marriott.
Oh, the Marriott. Okay. Oh, we got a nice view, guys. We got a nice view of Manila. Where's the Mall of Asia?
Mall of Asia is located on this side, sir.
Yeah, how far down?
Going to Mall of Asia is only about 30 minutes from here.
Okay. All right, here we go. So that's the Marriott. All right, you guys, this is the room in Manila. What's the name of this room?
This is the Premier Corner room.
Premier Corner room.
And we only have 8 Premier Corner room out of 190 rooms.
Oh, wow, okay.
This is very limited.
Hey, so this is the James Bond package we'll get you. You see what I'm saying? James Bond. James Bond package. Y'all, can y'all feel me? And on this side is the bathroom.
Yes, sir.
Hello, how are you? Thank you.
Crystal Beach.
Okay, thank you. Got the double sinks. Oh, come up automatically. That was flossy right there. Okay.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate you. Salamat po.
My name is Ken.
Ken.
You may address me personally, sir, if you have any further requests, sir.
Okay, thank you. Salamat po.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay, bye-bye. Thank you, Ken.
Have a good day, sir.
Okay, bye-bye. James Bond package, can y'all feel me in the Philippines? Now, they only have 8 corner suite rooms like this, but you can bet your bottom dollar I'm gonna do everything I can to make sure y'all get this one. If we decide to stay at this hotel, the regular rooms are nice too, but James Bond, this says James Bond all over it, don't it? Doesn't this just ring James Bond?
Bond. James Bond.
James Bond, baby. Fighting with your girl? Tired of dealing with the same stuck-up women when you go out in the States? Tired of these fake-ass IG models begging for cash apps? Fellas, I'm here to tell you, you don't have to settle. No matter your age, your race, your height, or even your weight, they don't discriminate. They don't discriminate. Think I'm lying? Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel OG. Make sure to like and subscribe to all my videos. To hit the like and subscribe button to Zoom to Thailand is free. You got questions? No problem. You balling on a budget? No problem. You scared of rejection? No problem. It's impossible to fail here. Book a consultation. And join the family of Zoom to Thailand. Your life will never be the same. Yeah, dude. Help us get to 10,000 subscribers, y'all. Yeah. Y'all remember that? It never gets old. Back then, I barely had 5,000 subscribers. And now we're on our way to 200,000 subscribers. It might take a few years, but we're going to get there together. And I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, Zoom Tribers, and Patreon members for your support. And if you're not subscribed, please do me a favor and hit the like and subscribe button and the subscription bell to all. You'll have good luck if you do. Back to the Philippines. This is my first time back in 4 years. The Philippines got hit really bad after COVID, and it was one of the last cities in Southeast Asia to get back in the mix. But this place is now better than it was when I left it. A lot of you uneducated people think that Thailand or the Philippines is a third world country. If somebody dropped you off in this hotel, you would think you were in New York or Beverly Hills. This is why people with the Hangover package or the Executive Platinum package will have the option to experience a few nights in the Philippines before you get to Thailand. In LA, a room like this will cost about $1,000 a night. In New York, probably twice as much. This place comes with everything you could think of, from a humidifier to an espresso coffee maker to heated toilet seats.
Man, I can't even lie to y'all, man. This warm toilet seat right here, man, whoo, it makes me enjoy going to the bathroom, man. The seat is warm. It's like, you know, a warm bath water. That's what the seat feel like, man. I gotta get one of these when I get home.
All right, enough of that ish. I'm out here in the Philippines for the first time since February of 2020. I miss the people. I've been all over the Philippines. Boracay, Bohol, Cebu, Palawan, Manila, Angeles City, Lapu-Lapu, BGC, and Makati. But I've never been to Dumaguete. Dumaguete is a sleepy college town in a province called Negros Oriental. Apparently, some of your favorite YouTubers live here. So I jumped on a plane with my man El Guapo, and we peeped the scene like Sam Rothstein, you dig? I wanted to meet one person in particular. So say the Filipina P lives in Dumaguete. I would love to meet her. I don't know how I'm gonna meet her, and I don't know if I'm gonna meet her, but I'm out here, so why not? First, I have to say, this was the smallest airport I think I've ever been in my life. But even though the airport was small, everything was organized. Bags came out on time, honest cab drivers were nearby, and then I got introduced to a new form of transportation. Now, I know about the jeepneys, but this was different. It's like a Filipino version of a tuk-tuk. It's called a trike. Trikes are a popular mode of transportation in Dumaguete, Philippines. They're essentially motorized three-wheel vehicles that serve as taxis or public transportation. The history of trikes in Dumaguete dates back to the early 1960s when they were first introduced as a means of transportation for short distances within the city. Today, trikes continue to be an important mode of transportation in Dumaguete, offering convenient and affordable rides for both locals and tourists. Trike drivers are known for their friendly and helpful nature, making the trike experience not only practical, but also enjoyable. But I gotta be honest, it was a little tight for us because El Guapo is a big dude, and I don't think they had people like Guapo in mind when they were making the design. But he squeezed up in there, pause, and that became our only mode of transportation after leaving the airport. Then, once we arrived at our hotel, we were greeted by the most friendly staff you could ever think of. The staff here was so much fun, friendly and accommodating. They even gave me a new name for my channel. Guap and I were the talk of the hotel, and we enjoyed the friendly demeanor of the staff. The hotel is called the Bali Oriental, or as the Filipinos say, the Bali Oriental. That's how many times I say certain watch this. Big boss.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
See, there's my sir. There it is. Big boss.
Are you checking out today?
Yes, I'm checking out today. Because I have to go back to Manila.
Oh, how about your brother?
He's staying here.
Until 16,
Huh?
Saturday.
Oh, you already know.
Yeah, it's my birthday in Saturday.
Oh, happy birthday!
Thank you, sir.
Hey.
I think you're checking out at 16.
I'm checking out in a few hours. My plane leaves at, hello, how are you?
Bon voyage, sir.
Thank you.
Zoom to Dumaguete.
Hey!
Beba, beba. Cebuano.
Hey.
Cebuano.
Hey.
Cebuano.
Hey!
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye, nice to meet you. Thank you for everything.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We had so much fun. The people are so nice.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Hello, how are you? Good morning.
Good, sir.
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm good.
All right. Nice to meet you. You see how many times you get called sir in one day? You see that? The respect, the love, the kindness. Where you gonna get that up at, man? You can't get that in the Matrix. I'm just saying. If you're ever in Dumaguete, I highly recommend this place. It was clean, affordable, the people were nice, 2 restaurants and a convenience store right next door. If you want to chill, not be bothered, and get some work done, this is the perfect place. Sunsets are beautiful here, and this is where YouTubers like Sunshine Shoulders and Filipina P have done some videos here. I was fortunate enough, with the help of El Guapo, to meet some cool OGs out here. Mike's Philippine Retirement and my partner, Old Dog New Tricks. I got to do interviews with both of these guys, which you'll see in an upcoming episode. And I even got to sit down with my man El Guapo and chop it up over breakfast. This is some free game for y'all. When you're traveling solo, places like Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, Bali, Philippines, Japan, those are a lot of great places to rest your head. But if you're going with somebody for an extended period of time, make sure you travel with somebody solid. Guap and I are solid. We trust each other, we have each other's back. But there's nothing worse than going around the world with a buster. Make sure whoever you travel with, you guys respect each other and protect each other. Now, the last thing you need is a rogue roommate with no home training and no control of himself or herself. That is a buzzkill, my friends, and it'll turn your trip into a nightmare. This is why for the Zoom Fest Hangover Package, I only offer single rooms, but y'all kept asking about double occupancy. So I listened. Now you have an option for double occupancy. Now I gotta admit, it'll definitely save you a couple thousand doing double occupancy. But I don't want to hear it if y'all two start bumping heads.
ZoomFest 2024 is unlike anything you've ever experienced. 12 to 15 days, 11 to 14 nights, 2 or 3 cities, a private yacht party, a celebrity golf tournament, and the time of your life. You have 3 options: the balling on a budget package, the hangover package, and finally, the James Bond Platinum Executive Package. This package includes first-class 5-star accommodations, private transportation, and admission to all events. But most important, it keeps you and your business private, just like first class on an airplane. Nobody knows you're there. We have packages for every budget. A consultation with the travel OG is included in all packages. Tipping and airfare. Not included packages start at $47.99. Zoom to Thailand at gmail.com. Payments can be made only through Cash App and PayPal at Zoom to Thailand. Your future awaits you.
So now I'm back in Manila, and I wanted to give you guys some more intel on the hotels I'm checking out for Zoom Fest, and for places in general, for when you guys ask me the best places to stay when you're in Manila. Let's finish checking out the amenities of the Akura Hotel. Double walk-in closets, marble floors, to room service, remote control flushing. Come on, man. There's nothing third world about this. Now, don't get me wrong. Yes, they got places out here that can be considered third world, but that's the same in the States too. When you go into some of them urban southern cities, that seems like third world in a lot of ways. But now it's time to get to one of my favorite meals when I'm here in the Philippines, chicken adobo. And of course, I had to try the fish and chips and balance it out with a salad. I'll be hitting the treadmill in the morning. But what's great about this place is the modern amenities. I love technology. I love new things. I love gadgets. This hotel has everything you can imagine, from a rooftop pool, a brand new mall with all types of stores and restaurants, a movie theater, and of course, a casino. They wouldn't let me film the casino for obvious reasons,
But they have built an entire city directly across the street from the airport, so you don't have to deal with the hustle and bustle of Manila traffic. This place has just about everything you'd be looking for. And of course, at the Hotel Accor, you have the option of breakfast included, which serves a Japanese-style breakfast, eggs made to order, sushi, fresh juice, and of course, coffee and espresso.
This one I miss L, man. I don't have L to... My Thai noodle ain't here to stir my latte for me. I gotta do it myself.
The Accor Hotel is definitely on my short list of hotels to stay when I'm in the Philippines, as well as my Zoom Fest people. But we still have another hotel to look at. We'll check that out later.
Good morning. 903.
It's only for one.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna get out with the sushi. You already know. Let's see. Omelet looks nice. This is a Japanese restaurant. I'm in a Japanese hotel in the Philippines. Can that count? Does that count? I guess it counts because we're here. Still in the Philippines. Breakfast is cool. Let me try this omelet out, see what it's looking like. Now let's check out the mall. Now, I gotta let you guys know, it was early in the morning and things were just starting to open up, but I just wanted to give you guys a sense of what it looks like and what amenities are here at this particular hotel. This is literally across the street from the airport, man. I got beat by this cab driver. Not even a cab driver, this woman was set, it's like a setup, it's a cold game they got. So you get out the airport, you get out, you're looking for a cab to get your hotel. I have no idea that my hotel is right across the street. So I just want to get to the hotel, and I know it's a lot of traffic. So I get to the lady, I asked her how much it costs. She hit me up for 1,650 pesos. That's equivalent to like $30, right? So I'm thinking, Manila traffic is probably like 30 minutes away. That makes sense. You know what I mean? I go on and agree to it. She calls up a big luxury van and all this shit. And I don't really know what's going on because I'm trusting people because I know how nice the Filipino people are. So I'm just trusting them, going with the thing, waiting to get my little cab to go to my hotel, which I don't know is right across the street. I get in that thing, man. I'm caught up in being back in the Philippines, talking to the driver, like everything is just gravy, man. But this is why consultations are so important. Like, had I did my homework, had I known that there are people that, even though the people here, mostly 90% of them are nice, you still got the ones that's gonna get you. Because when you're a tourist, you just get got. That's anywhere you go in the world, man. They know you fresh meat, they know you green, they know you don't know the conversion rates. So they get you, bro. So she got me. I talked to the hotel staff about it, but I learned from that point on, anything you want to do, you do it inside the airport coming out. You do not deal directly with the taxi people. You have an intermediary do it for you. Like, for instance, when I changed hotels and went over to the City of Dreams, I made sure that the hotel hooked up my cab for me, so I knew exactly what I was paying. I knew exactly what it was costing. I knew exactly what I was getting. So that's my bad for not doing my own homework. But consultations are so important because that $30, even though it was just $30, I still got, and I just hated it. I felt like straight sucker. So, with that being said, in the next part 2, I'm going to show you guys the next hotel we got an offer to go to with the City of Dreams. And here they got the Nobu Hotel, which I stayed at and was awesome. So y'all stay tuned for that next one. Also, I'm going to show you guys my interview I did with Paul, retired old dog, new tricks. Well, as you probably guessed, I did not get to meet Filipino people. But I still had a great time. The people are so nice and so hospitable. I loved it, man. If you're looking to retire and settle down without all the rah-rah and loud this and all of that, Dumaguete might be right for you. So, with that being said, man, make sure you guys hit the like button and let's get on to the next one. You dig? Theme music.
Don't forget to subscribe for my channel.